Make a great choice today with the 2006 RSX. This sport hatchback debuted in 2002 from Acura under the Honda nameplate. The RSX is a two-door hatchback with sportier styling, handling, and power than its predecessor, the Acura Integra, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.